He's my new friend.
Okay, the dude in the gray jacket is like...
He's my friend.
Yeah. He came up to our car
Her
and
mom,
he rolled the window
Caitlin's
down.
mom rolled down the window, and he came up to the car, and I waved at him.
He said hi.
He keeps looking back here.
Watch him turn around.
He's
and be
gonna
like,
turn-
Dude,
yeah.
you're videotaping me.
He's gonna turn around like any minute. We're like stalking him. He was so cool. He
need to
came up
hide
to the
it.
window.
You need
Oh.
to like hide it.
Don't look at it. Don't look.
No, like hidden camera.
Hidden camera. Okay.
I don't. Yeah, that's hidden, alright.
Oh no, they're looking.
Oh my god.
Hidden camera. See the guy in the gray sweatshirt. He's my friend. Can I ask him what his name is?
Yeah, what's your name?
I dare you.
Can I get your phone number?
No, because his girlfriend's right there.
How do you know it's his girlfriend?
Could be like his biffle.
Oh god, please, not the flame.
Aren't you having fun? Okay.
Oh no, the batteries.
Yeah, I'm done through tipping him.
Bye.